Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram stories in 2022. Now as you can see, I just posted a story right here. It's completely black story right here, and we're going to go and delete this story right here. As you can see, you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted in your activity. So we can click delete here. And what we can do right now to restore this story is we can go to the settings up here. And here on this, what we can do is we can click on your activity. And right now what we can do is we can scroll down, and as you can see, recently deleted, view and manage content you've recently deleted. We can click on that. And as you can see, this is the story right here. If we click on it, we can go to more and we can go to restore. And as you can see, if you share this story within the past 24 hours or edit it to your story highlights, people will be able to see and interact with it again. So we can click restore. And right now we restore the story. We can view on story. So we can go here and we can refresh and we can view the story again. So we can go on story and we can view the story again, as you can see right here. And yeah, this is pretty much how to recover deleted Instagram stories in 2022. It's really simple. You can do this with posts as well, and with Instagram TV and with Reels as well. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to help every one of you. And yeah, I hope this video helps, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.